Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert bulleting points and also the numberings on your Google Slide mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use bullet and numberings on your Google Docs mobile. So first of all, I just open a document and it's going to in the edit mode, edit the slide option. So now just zoom in the sentence or paragraph that you want to edit. So let's select this every key points. So just going to select this, just long press it and just drag it like this. Now you will see an option on the bottom. This is called a bulleting. So if you want a more option to have a bulleting and numbering, just click on the A symbol on the top, which actually opens the text formatting tools. You just click on the paragraph option and here you will see this is the numbering option and this is the bulleting option. Here you can easily switch between the numbering option and also the bulleting option. This is how you just insert the bulleting points and also the numberings for any sentence or any key points on this. So you can just turn it off like that also. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.